So this week we are having our second Sound of Success program. It's an immersive learning camp for students that are local to Lauderdale County and the surrounding counties. We got recommendations from music and theater teachers to bring in kids that are interested in the music industry, whether that be theater or audio engineering or singing and performing, different things.
There are so many more jobs in the music industry than I thought there were. Like, there's so much more that goes on behind the scenes.
I want to be an audio engineer and a singer.
There's a lot more jobs than I initially thought that I've kind of learned about here.
They've talked about all different kinds of things that they can do, which is amazing.
Guitar playing skills.
We want to give them the opportunity to see what all of these famous Mississippians have accomplished and what they can do and be the future stars of our state.
Was it beneficial?